all.
Huh?
She doesn't look bad at all.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
She can't see it. What are you talking about? You're giving out about something you
I
can't
see
see.
it every day
Well, you got.
through the mirror.
Have you got an owl's neck? The neck of an owl.
Good massage.
Yeah, this one's. Good massages are very expensive. You know that. What's that face?